It's finally official. Samsung has taken the wraps off the Galaxy S22, and I was given a quick preview of these amazing devices this morning, and here's my thoughts about them. Like last year, you're getting three different models, the S22, S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra. These phones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, which is definitely welcoming news for those who doesn't prefer Samsung's Exynos processors. The S22 and S22 Plus are basically a refined version of their predecessors with new refreshing color options of Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and Pink Gold, which all uses the same frosted glass material that resists fingerprints. You still get the same signature camera contour cutout, which matches the color of the phone this time. The aluminum frame also matches the color of the phone instead of chrome, and I really like that subtle design improvement. Aesthetically, both the S22 and S22 Plus are very comfortable to hold and grip with display sizes of 6.1 inches and 6.6 inches respectively. They are 0.1 inch smaller than their predecessors, but to be honest, I don't find that too much of an issue. These displays now also have a variable refresh rate from 10Hz to 120Hz, which should technically have better power efficiency. I'm also really glad that Samsung has brought back 45-watt fast wired charging to the table, even though it's only available on the S22 Plus. In terms of cameras, both the S22 and S22 Plus share the same camera system. You get a 50-megapixel optical stabilized main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera that does up to 3 times optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. I am particularly glad that you don't need to pay more to get a better telephoto lens like you do back on the S21 this time. And Samsung says that we should expect better low-light quality in both photos and videos due to the improved sensors and with the help of the NPU on the phone. So I really can't wait to see how well it performs. Now, let's talk about the S22 Ultra, or should I even call it the Note 30 Ultra, because you know what, it looks so identical to the Note 20 Ultra 2 years ago, with the exception of the removal of that huge camera bump on the back. Samsung has managed to include the S Pen silo at the exact same location of the Note 20 Ultra on the S22 Ultra this time, which is actually super amazing considering the challenge to include that space for the S Pen while having a huge 5000 mAh battery powering the phone. The S22 Ultra's display measures 6.8 inches and its adaptive 120Hz refresh rate can go to as low as 1 Hz, which should save even more power, while it also has improved sampling rate for the S Pen. Since the camera bump is gone, each of the camera lenses come with their ring bumps, which is rather slim, but it's something that I would still be careful with to avoid scratches. Like the S22 Plus, the S22 Ultra also brings back 45-watt fast wired charging that wasn't available on the Note 20 Ultra. Camera-wise, you are of course getting the better deal right here with a quad camera system. There's a 108-megapixel main wide camera, 2 telephoto cameras that does 3 times and 10 times optical zoom respectively, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the front camera remains the same at 40 megapixels, like its predecessor. Overall, I feel that the S22 Ultra is Samsung's definite answer to the disappointment of Note fans since the discontinuation of the Note series, and really, this should have been done back on the S21 Ultra instead of selling the S Pen as a separate accessory. And oh, the S22 Ultra still supports the S Pen Pro if you prefer to use that one over the built-in one. So accessory-wise, you are getting pretty much the same selection of cases for these phones. But this round, Samsung has made a rather interesting one, which is an ND filter case, which I was told that can be fitted on other Galaxy smartphones with Pro mode. The case is compatible with 72mm filters, and it comes with a tripod mount at the bottom and a hot shoe mount on top that lets you mount accessories. The S22 series are overall an exciting lineup from Samsung, and I definitely can't wait to review them and tell you more about it. The improvements on the regular models might seem iterative, but I think they're still really well done. While the S22 Ultra, on the other hand, is the phone that is going to excite many, including me. And I really can't wait to get my hands on one to tell more about it and everything that Samsung has launched in Unpacked 2022. So that's pretty much about my quick thoughts and first impressions of the Galaxy S22. So do head on over to another video to check out my impressions of the Galaxy Tab S8 if you're interested in that. But meanwhile, stay tuned for more videos coming right up on the channel, and stay subscribed and follow us on social media, and I will see you guys in our next one.